Welcome back. Today, I originally wasn't going to do this. I had a premium pack for the Realm of the Gods, but I wasn't going to open it. I was going to keep them sealed. But I'm sure I could probably get more, so... These are the promos that came with it. Really nice, but sadly both have print lines. You'd think after how much time we've had with this card game that they would hopefully find a way to get rid of the print lines, but nope. Forgive my camera. Yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. I've heard premium packs have actually really good odds of pulling a secret rare. So, if my luck could be that good, I'd be very happy. I'd love to pull a foil leader from this set because as you can see, they're really top notch this time. And my neighbors are moving things around, so please forgive that if you can hear it in the background. Son Goku, Vados, another Goku, so Vegeta, Nameless Planet, where they did the one tournament, Demon God Gravy, Campari, Sawar, and a super rare right away. Wow, they really do look good in this set. Let me get my sleeves. Not bad. Next pack. There are two or three leaders that I'm really hoping to see in foil. I'll throw them up if I can remember. Trunks, Piccolo, Rebello, Vegeta, Trunks, the Referee, Body Steel, Conic, Beerus, Vegeta, full art, and a normal rare. That's really cool. I like that. The art for this set is really top notch. Then, of course, you got the two Sprs. Ooh, yes. Happy with that. That's one of them that I want to get in foil. And you just have amazing cards like that. Completely forgot what I was just about to say. Right, the two Sprs of this set that I really want to get my hands on. Well, actually, I want them all. They look phenomenal. Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta. Alright, last pack magic, right? If you say that, surely it'll happen. Okay. Vegeta, Super Shenron, that is awesome. Wouldn't mind that in foil. Shadow is aligned, 117, Whis, Son Gohan. Apparently these things were the original Saiyans. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, I think that's what I remember. Coercion. Vados. And a Beerus. Well, not really all that lucky this time. For artwork, I'm really happy. Did get this super rare if I can pick it up. But thanks for watching.